All right, so unless you've been living underneath a rock, I'm sure you've heard of Facebook. In fact, you're probably on Facebook right now, or if you're not on it now, you were just a few minutes ago. What we do here at 7Social is we create Facebook ads for automotive dealers all throughout the country. We've helped hundreds of car dealers. We've managed millions of dollars in ad spend, and ultimately we've got a process to where we can convert those incoming leads into actual in-dealership appointments at a rate of about 60%. I got involved in this industry about 3 years ago as far as the Facebook events. At the time, we were actually just reselling another company's events, and since then we decided to bring it in-house. We actually have our in-house creative team, in-house optimization team. In our BDC, we have a couple different layers of quality control. We have our leads, and then we have our actual messenger warriors. You may have heard of other companies out there throw around those terms. The reason why I use warriors, I'm a Marine, and we're warriors. We're not soldiers, we're not ninjas, we're none of that, right? What we are, we're warriors. We're ready to go to war for you. We're ready to actually help you sell more vehicles, spend less money, increase your ROI, and ultimately we want it to be easy for you, right? We run the ads, we manage the ads, we'll reach out to you if there's anything that comes up during the event, and then at the end of the day, all you need to do is just make sure that when the customers come through the door, you guys actually put on your sales foot and sell the cars. I've put together a list down below, or if you're actually still on Facebook, if you click the link, it's on the actual website, 7social.agency, but the list should be below, it's on the website, and it has a bunch of different frequently asked questions. So if you want to know about pricing, if you want to know like how many events we run, how many we have ran, how many we managed, how we converted 50 to 60% on all of our events, a plethora of different questions, and all the answers are there. They're in video form. We've also transcribed all of those videos, so if you want to just read it, you absolutely can as well. We're here to fight wars, and we're ready to go on the attack for you. So if you want to dominate your area and be the #1 dealership in your area and sell more cars than every other dealership in your area and make more money than every dealership in your area, then basically all you need to do is set up a virtual meeting, or you could actually just go straight and click on the order form, fill out the information, and a member of our team will get in touch with your dealership and we'll get you set up to go over all the details and finalize your event. So it's really pretty easy. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to earning your business.